don't forget to subscribe and press bell icon for new updated videos. Like and share videos with your friends.
We are going to just have a look. In the last video we had a look over the price plans. In this video we'll have a look upon the accounts and the profile. If you want to edit your account, if you want to edit your profile, then how to do it, then we are going to learn in this video how we are going to move on with this. Okay, we'll get firstly here you can see your free plans, then sends. We had talked about this free plan and how many emails you can send to others in the last video. Now we are going to go in settings and we are going to make some changes. Okay, so settings, first we'll go in details. Now in detail, this is the detailed page. Here you have your account name. For example, I have put your tasty tongue. Then the time zone. If you are moving to another country, then you can just change the time zone over here. Then the date and time. Let me little scroll down. Date and time and currency format. Okay, so you can change this edit information over here, and there is nothing much over here, so we'll not go more beneath. Okay, so in details, what you can change: your account name, the time zone if you're moving to another country, date time format, currency format. If you're moving to another country, you have to change the date time format, the currency format, and then you have to save here. Click on save, it would be saved. Now moving up again, we'll go into settings. We'll see another thing, that is users. Now you will see here in users, you will see that your name of your account, then you will see find the right experts if you want some expert directory and all about this. You want some help, you want some seat limit, then you can come here and edit over it. In this you will see basically your account name, and this all, we are working with account and profile. It is all about your account name, your email ID, the number you have given. So all we are working with this now. Okay, now we will move up and we'll go again into settings, and we'll see the next one. Now I have again gone into settings. And then I have clicked on security. After clicking on security, my security page will be open. For example, you want to create some more security things. Okay, then you have to go into this page. For example, you want to you have to put double security. You want some notification when something fishy is going around you. So if you want some things like that, then you have to go into settings. Firstly, you want to view your account details. Then what you should do, just beside your name you will see an arrow. You have to click on that arrow. You have to go in accounts. In accounts you have to go in settings, and in settings then you have to go in settings. You have to go in whatsoever, that is security or which thing you want to actually work on with. Now I have gone into settings and in security. So after clicking on to this account security, you will see this page. Firstly, we'll go up onto the first heading, that is two-factor authentication. When you want to create dual security, you have to enable this one. When you enable this one, they'll also ask you for downloading an app. Then after downloading, you have to put the authentication code, and then it's done. Okay, so what you have to do for authentication, enable this one, and then you have to download the app in your mobile, and then you can just do it by putting on the authentication code. Now moving down, you have account verification. See, when you think something unusual, means fishy thing is going around you, then you can just enable this one. So anything going unusual, then you immediately receive an SMS. SMS means a text you will be received onto your mobile. Then verify identity identity with security questions. If you want to ask your identity some security questions, then you can just enable this one also. This is all about security. First, what you have a dual security option, then you have something fishy or unusual going on, then you can just enable this one. And you want to ask some security questions, then also you can enable this one. Now moving upon, in settings you also have an option called contact information. In contact information, it is same like the account thing, where you can make changes on your contact information you have given. For example, your email ID, your username, whatever you want to change there, you can just do it. Your domain you want to change, you can do it in domain setting menu. Now manage my data. In manage my data, if you want them to manage your data, to save the data, to back up your data, then this is the thing where you have to go again in settings and in manage my data, export my data. If you want to export your data, then you can just do it from here. If you want to back up your data, your backup, build my backup, click on it. And then if moving down, if you want to data analytics settings, then you can just do your data analytics setting. If you want to include my data in Mailchimp's data analytics projects, if you want to save it there also, then you can just click on this. So this is all about our account information. Firstly, we had gone into, see what you have to do. Firstly, you have to go in this one and then click on account, then you will get this page where you have to click on settings, details. You can change the details like a username, everything. Users, you can see the users. If you want to invite some users, you can just invite user, click on invite user. Security, for dual security, for something unusual going on, then you want to receive a SMS, then this. Contact information, want to change your contact information, then this. Domains, then this. Manage my data, then this. Or if you want to delete your data, then below manage data you have an option called delete account. If you want to delete your account, then it is the option of deleting your account. So these are all options that we have learned now in account. So what we have to do here, you have to go and click on accounts and you can just make the required changes. So this is all about account information.